Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures charts. This morning I decided to flip my bias from partially bearish to bullish. I sent out some buy signals to my signal team this morning in all three indices, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq and the DowJones30. This again is why it's so important to be part of my free trading signal group. And as you can see, as a result, we have all three major indices trading in the green this morning. S&P 500 is up 0.8%. We have the Nasdaq100, which is up over 1.3%. And the DowJones30 is also up a mild 0.2%. And of course, today we have NVIDIA's earnings, and the stock is trading just shy of all-time highs, up at around $465. Of course, its all-time high, well, that was achieved earlier on this week. In fact, it was yesterday, was all the way up at 481. And I believe that this stock has the potential to go and reach $500 a share. So in terms of percentage points from where it currently sits, that represents pretty much an 8% gain. So I still believe there's still a lot of room for NVIDIA to run, and that's of course is going to have a very positive effect on the indices. Now we have the S&P 500 trading just below the 50-day EMA. I do believe this gets broken out and follows suit of the Nasdaq 100. We've snapped this downtrend here on the 2-hour chart for the Nasdaq 100. This is what I highlighted yesterday. Until this was broken, the Nasdaq 100 was still on track to reaching lower prices. So that has now officially broken, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the S&P 500 follow suit. Dow Jones 30, I think, also will eventually go and trade up towards a 50-day EMA. I really like this market here. So all eyes are going to be on NVIDIA after the bell. I believe that NVIDIA has the potential to trade up towards $500 a share, and that, of course, will give some upside thrust to the rest of the market, including the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones 30. So that's what I'm looking out for. Of course, on Friday, we have Jackson Hole, where we do hear from Jerome Powell. That's going to be very interesting to see what the sentiment is over at the Fed with regards to the macro environment. But I do believe that the markets have the potential to rally from here and, regain and pair some of the losses that have occurred throughout the month of August, because it's very important that you understand that, from the highs that we achieved back on the 31st of July, we're still trading down around 4% here for the S&P 500. And for the Nasdaq 100, we are trading still down around 5.15%. So I think this is healthy, but the market is now starting to regain a lot of what it's lost earlier on this month. And I think that it can also continue. Guys, don't forget, you can join my Signal team. It's free for 1 month. All you have to do is scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can then sign up. It takes 10 seconds to get involved, and it's completely free of charge. And if you don't like what I do, then you can cancel at any time. And of course, this will also give you access to my free daily market research.